Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make Canva generate like a character for you, so you don't have to like create the character yourself. So just go to the app section and go and select characters here, and it'll say build your own character. Then you're just going to open that and you're going to select the head of the character, like the hair and whatnot, and you're just going to add that in. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm just going to press done. And then for the face, you can also select it. Oh, okay, actually don't press done yet then. Sorry. You are just going to select back first and then select the like faces. I want it to be a sad person because she's me. I'm just kidding. But oh my gosh, that's kind of sad. That's like, don't leave me. Anyways, here you can change the skin tone of the person, and then you can also change the hair color as well here, and you can like even select more hair colors and like skin tones as well. But I don't think you can change it for the outfits they have on, which I hope they'll able to do that in the future. Okay, let's just turn her into a happy person. Like so. Like that maybe. Yeah, that's cute. Just go back before you press the done button, because I think once you've pressed the done button, you won't be able to like edit her again. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!